Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic noise in communication engineering. Now, while listen to the topic, one question comes in our mind: what is noise? In terms of electrical, in electrical terms, noise may be defined as an unwanted form of energy which tend to interfere with the proper reception and reproduction of transmitted signal. For example, in receiver, several electrical disturbances produce noise and thus modifying the required signal in an unwanted form. In case of radio receiver, noise may produce hiss type sound in the output of loudspeaker. Similarly, in TV receiver, noise may produce snow which become a superimposed on picture output. Basically, noise is a disturbance which is created while transmission and receiving the signal. Now, let us classify. The noise is basically classified into two types. First is internal noise, and the second one is external noise. Internal noise is further classified into various forms like thermal noise, short noise, flicker noise or low frequency noise, partition noise, and transient time noise or high frequency noise. Similarly, external noise is further classified into two parts. First one is atmospheric noise. Second one is extraterrestrial noise. Extraterrestrial noise is further divided into two parts, that is solar noise and cosmic noise. Now the third part of external noise is industrial noise. Now we will discuss about these two types of noises in detail. First, the external noise. What is external noise? External noise may be defined as that type of noise which is generated externally to a communication system, that is, whose source are external to the communication system. External noise cannot be controlled, so that to reduce the effect of external noise, the only way is to shift the communication system to other place or location which has comparatively small external noise. Now, the first classification of external noise is atmospheric noise. What is atmospheric noise? Atmospheric noise is also called static noise, and it is produced by lightning discharge in thunderstorm and other natural electrical disturbances which occur in the atmosphere. These electric impulses are random in nature. Next one is extraterrestrial noise. There are several type of extraterrestrial noise or space noise depending upon their sources. First one is solar noise. Solar noise is the electrical noise emitting from the sun under steady state condition. There is a regular radiation of noise from the sun. This radiation of noise from the sun is due to the fact that sun has extremely high temperature and it radiates electric energy in the form of noise over a wide frequency spectrum. Now, the second one is cosmic noise. What is cosmic noise? Cosmic noise, distant star can also be considered sun. These distant stars have some temperature and therefore radiate noise in the same manner as the sun. The last classification of external noise is industrial noise. What is industrial noise? The industrial noise or man-made noise is that type of noise which is produced by such sources like automobile, aircraft, electrical motors, leakage from high voltage, transmission line, and several other electrical equipments. That's all about the external noise. Now, come on to the next classification of noise, that is internal noise. What is internal noise? Internal noise is that type of noise which is generated internally or within the communication system receiver. It may be created quantitatively, and can also be reduced or minimized by proper system design. Since internal noise is randomly distributed over the entire frequency spectrum. Now, the first part of internal noise is thermal noise. Thermal noise or Johnson noise. We also call thermal noise as Johnson noise or white noise. It is the random noise which is generated in a resistor or the resistive component of a complex impedance due to rapid and random motion of the molecules, atoms, and electrons. Second one is short noise. Short noise arises in active device due to random behavior of charge carriers. In electron tube, short noise is generated due to random noise emission due to random emission of electrons from cathode, whereas in semiconductor device, short noise is generated due to random diffusion of minority carriers or simply random generation and recombination of electron hole pairs. Now, the third part is partition noise. What is partition noise? Partition noise is generated in a circuit when a current has to divide between two or more parts. This means that the partition noise result from the random fluctuation in the division. Hence, it is expected that a diode must be less noisy as compared to the transistor. Due to this reason, the input of microwave receiver are generally taken directly to the diode mixers. Now, the next one is flicker noise or low frequency noise. What is flicker noise or low frequency noise? This type of noise generate in the low frequency signal. The power spectral density of this noise increase as the frequency is decreased, or we can say that it is inversely proportional to the frequency. Next or the last one is transient time noise or high frequency noise. What is transient time noise? It is generally observed in semiconductor devices when the transient time of charge carrier crossing a junction is comparable with the time period of the signal. Some charges diffuse back to the source or eliminate or emitter. Then due to this some noise introduced in the signal, which is known as transient time noise or high frequency noise. I hope you all will understand what is a noise in communication system and what are the classification of noise. Thank you for watching this video.